Was a kid with the other little kids. Now I'm ripping up shows and the fans go around with us. Tell mommy I'm sorry. This life is a party. I'm never growing up. Was a kid, all I had was a dream. More money, more problems. When I get it, I'm a pound it up. Now I'm dope on the bread. We can toast so fresh. How we flow. Everybody get this down. Yo, I once was a kid with the other little kids. Now I'm ripping up shows and the fans.
Alright, so as you can see here, I've got a whole heap of parts on the table, donated to me from Brandon from the Madness RC a while ago. That's where the wheels and tyres came that I'm using on the Rustler, and I'm decided to try and build it back up again. So I'm gonna see how much I can put back together and see if I can get a bit of a framework of an RC car, and then I might be able to buy some parts, customise it a bit, get some donations and see what I'll end up with. So, I'm just going to start by putting together the front bumpers, then installing the front bumpers onto the aluminium chassis. Alright, got both of the bumpers put together, like so, rear, front, and for the chassis, this is the front, this is the rear, so I'm going to install the front one on, and to do that, it uses these 4 little nuts you can see in there. Sorry about the bad lighting, by the way, and they stick into here. Alright, put the front bumper on, now for the rear. Front and rear bumpers installed, and now it's starting to look like a car. Sort of. No, not at all. Now I'm going to put the chassis over here, and I'm going to bring over the shock towers, along with the upper arms and the caster blocks, as you see there. And here we have the shock tower, upper arms, and some bearing carriers. So these haven't been taken apart by my friend Brandon at Madness RC. And so yeah, that hasn't been taken apart. All the stuff with the little E-clips and the pins haven't been taken apart. So that's good because they are hard to put together. So now what I'm going to do is put together the... Actually, I'm going to put on the shocks. So I have the body mounts here, they're both the same, front and rear. Now I'm going to grab the shocks, also the same front and rear, and I'm going to install them onto the shock tower. Alright, but all the shocks are installed on both shock towers. And now I need to get extra screws. Here I have the screws. And I'm going to install the body mounts. There you go. We have the body mount and the shocks on the shock tower along with the arms on both. So that's it for today's build video, I guess you'd say. Until next time. Later.